Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2012 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic with 27,951 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, cruise control, CB radio, intercom, and reverse. It's been upgraded with tall handlebars, short antennas, fuel cap, windshield, LED headlight and LED passing lamps, LED front turn signals, and steel braided lines and cables. The TRIGLIDE offers the same comfort, power, and iconic style as the Electric Glide, but on the stability of 3 wheels. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin motor, the TRIGLIDE puts 100 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,157 pounds and has a 27.3 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.